Next example is 10th one. Okay, so it's a big complicated word problem. Okay, you'll find it very difficult to solve, but let us see now. Okay, so example number 10. A water tank has steps inside it. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step, the first step. The water level is at the 9th step. Okay, so there are total 3 parts of the question: first, second, third. So let us solve them one by one. So I have written down the question. A water tank has steps inside it. Okay, so there is a water tank and it's having a steps like this. So a monkey is sitting on the topmost step. So the monkey is sitting on the topmost step, that is the first step, and the water level is at the 9th step. On the 9th step there is water. So he wants to drink water. Okay, now he is descending down through those steps. Okay, so first question is asked to us. He jumps 3 steps down and then jumps back 2 steps up. In how many jumps will he reach the water level? Okay, so let us see this. So our first example is this. He jumps 3 steps down and then jumps back 2 steps up. In how many jumps will he reach the water level? So here diagrammatically it is represented. It is given here. A picture is given of the steps and a monkey descending down. Okay, so let us solve the first part. Solution. So I'll draw the figure for you. This is the first step, second step, third step, fourth step, fifth step, sixth step, seventh step, 8th step and 9th step. So here is the water level at the 9th step. Okay, so this is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7th, 8th, and this is the 9th step. So our monkey is sitting over here. Okay, so the monkey is sitting over here. Suppose he's at the first step, and what is given to us? He jumps 3 steps down and then jumps back 2 steps up. So the monkey, he jumps 3 steps down, 1, 2, 3, and then again he jumps back 2 steps up, 1, 2. So he repeats this pattern till he reaches the 9th step. So we have to calculate in how many jumps will the monkey reach 9th step and drink the water. And when he reaches, after reaching the 9th step, he drinks the water and again he returns back to the first step. So that is the second part of the question. Okay, so now he jumps how many steps? 3 steps. So this first, second, third. So the monkey will jump directly on the 4th step. Okay, so here he will come, and then again he returns back 2 steps. So he will go back 2 steps, means on 2nd step. Okay, then again he will jump 3 steps, 1, 2, 3. So he will come on 5th step. Okay, then again he will go 2 steps back. Again he will go 2 steps back, 1, 2. From 5 he will go to 3rd step. From 5th step to 3rd step. Again he will jump 3 steps, 1, 2, 3. So from 3 he will come to 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3. And then again from 6 he will go up, back 2 steps. So he will come on 4. So again from 4 he will jump 3 steps down, 1, 2, 3. So he will come on 7. Again from 7 he will go up by 2 steps. So he will come on the 5th step. Again from here he will jump down on the 8th step. After reaching 8th step, again he will climb up 2 steps. So he will go on the 6th step. Again from here now he will go 1, 2, 3. Now he reaches the 9th step. So here will be the monkey now. So now we have to calculate how many jumps he did in total. Okay, so from 1st to 4th, this is our first step, first jump. This is our first jump. From 1st to 4th, this is our first jump. Then he returned back. This is our second jump. Then again he, from 2nd he came to 5th step. This is our third jump. Okay, from 5th he went to 3rd, so this is our 4th jump. From 3rd he came down to 6th, this is our 5th jump. From 6th he went to 4th, this is our 6th jump. From 4th he came down to 7th, so this is our 7th jump. From 7th he came back to 5th step, so this is our 8th jump. From 5th he jumped on 8th, so this is our 9th jump. Then from 8th again he returned back to 6th step. Okay, so this is our 10th jump. And from 6th he jumped onto 9. Okay, so this is our 11th jump. So the monkey reached the 9th step in 11 jumps. This we can write like this: first jump, that is from first step to 4th step, that is 1 plus 3, that is 4. Second jump, that is from 4 to 2nd, that is 4 minus 2, that is 2. Okay, second step. Now third jump, from 2nd step he came down to 5th step, so that is 2 plus 3, again what it is, 5, so he came on to 5th step. Okay, in third jump. Fourth jump, 5 minus 2, from 5th step he went to 2nd step, 2 steps back. Okay, 5 minus 2 is 3rd step. Okay, fifth jump, three plus 3, that is equal to 6th step. Okay, 6th jump, that is 6 minus 2, that is 4th step. Okay, 7th jump, this 4 plus 3, that is equal to 7th step. He reached 7th step. 8th jump, that is 7 minus 2, that is equal to 5th step. 9th jump, 5 plus 3, that is 8th step. Okay, 10th one, that is 10th jump, that is again 8 minus again back, so again he went 2 steps back, so 8 minus 2 is 6th step. 11th jump, that is 6 plus 3, again he jumped 3 steps. Okay, so 6 plus 3 is 9th step. So he reached 9th step in 11th jump. In 11th jump, the monkey will reach the water level. So this is our answer.